Hello friends, welcome back to the craft room. I am really glad that you're here. If you've noticed, it kind of looks exactly the same as it did last time, except for I actually cleaned up my mess. Now it's so lovingly organized in this basket. So Wednesdays are typically my days to make videos for Thursday, and that didn't happen because I made jam. Well, okay. This one's more of a syrup because I messed it up. But the jars didn't explode in the water bath, so I'm really pleased with that. I had a lot of strawberries and a lot of peaches and mangoes, so we made some jam yesterday, the girls and I did. So that was fun, but I don't have anything for you today. So I think I'm going to take the rest of the day and I'm going to make a video and we'll post it tomorrow. Now the only deciding I have to do is, what am I going to make? So in the comments below, tell me what pattern you're liking right now or something that you have your eye on, and I will pick a pattern from the comments and we will make that tomorrow. Okay? Well, I'll make it today, but you'll see it tomorrow. I'm having, what's the term for it? When you're like, there's too many options and you're a little overwhelmed by it and you're like, I can't pick anything. So whatever that word is, I'm having that with patterns right now. There's just a lot. And I really kind of dove down a free pattern rabbit hole. And now I'm really overwhelmed by patterns. So typically this is when I would have my kids come pick something. But we're going to leave that up to you today. So pick a pattern, link it below or tell me the name of it and I'll look it up. I will pick one of them and then we will make that one tomorrow. Okay? Okay, sounds great. Help a sister out. I am really suffering from summer brain today, because there's a million other things I should have, or not should have, I could have been doing. But now we have jam. So we'll see you tomorrow, friends. Bye.